You don't always need pills to organ detox. Your body actually already has a lot of these tools, so let's support them. Each detox organ, your liver, your kidneys, your gut, and your lymph, need key nutrients to function at full power. Hi, if you're new to my channel, my name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say that I went to school so you don't have to. I combine science with spirit, helping teach you how to detox and eliminate safely. So, today we're talking about organ detox and how to build a full body cleanse using food, not fads. So, let's go ahead and start. So, your liver needs garlic, beets, cruciferous because those help the detox enzymes. Your kidneys need parsley, cucumber, and mineral rich water to be able to flush those toxins out. Your gut needs fiber and fermented foods in order to clear any waste that's backed up. And your lymph and your lungs really benefit from berries, movement, and even breath. So, breath work is really key. Your skin needs high omega 3s, hydration, and sweating can also release through the pores. So, each individual organ has its own special way of detoxification. So, we first want to prime the pump, so to speak, and use these foods to help us to be able to detoxify before we even get into detox pills, potions, and all the rest of it. If you want to learn how to safely detox, we go over all of this Wednesday and Saturday in our Intro to Holistic Medicine 2 class, Detoxification and Elimination. And right now we have a BOGO offer where if you purchase Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, we throw in Intro to Holistic Medicine 1, which is a self-guided course all about nutrient deficiencies. We use, again, science with spirit. So we combine subjective data, which is usually with a questionnaire, combined with objective data, such as your salivary pH or your urinary pH, to help you to determine which detox practices are best suited for you. So go ahead and comment below which organ and which foods you're going to be incorporating. And of course, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more.